you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is RS Fredmoa. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and comment and share this video to your friends and relatives. I always bring you here a Catholic song tutorial, and if you have any song you want me to teach you, just comment down below, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, to hit that button, yani bonyeza kidude pale ndo tunasema. So let's get started with this song. Mama Maria, mama, yeah, mama, mama utuombe. So without wasting no time, let's get started with our melody. So our melody, we are going to start here. Like that. Mama Maria, mama, yeah, mama. And then the verse. As you can see that the melody is very simple. So yeah, let me play with one finger very slowly. Like that. Start again. And then the verse. Let me play again with the actual speed. So you have to make your fingers very soft so you can play like that. So let's get to a chord. Play slowly so that you can see with this figure, so that you can see it's for your own benefit. Like that. There's the part, yeah, mama, so you can play like just like that. Then you start. So after that, let us play with our drums. We start from our melody. So we're gonna use a tempo of like 109. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. The bass. Then our chorus. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment to my channel. My name is Fred Moa. God bless you. And if you have any support, you can support this YouTube channel. You can use my PayPal. Use my PayPal link down below, and you can also use my number down below if you need any assistance or any help. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to check my other videos. I also perform covers. You can check them down below, man. Just support this YouTube channel and we are good to go. Thank you and God bless you.